In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view rewards activity on Hotels.com. If you want to keep track of your travel rewards, check how much OneKeyCash you've earned, or review recent reward transactions, Hotels.com makes it fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process from signing in all the way to reviewing the details of a specific rewards entry. To get started, open the Hotels.com app or go to the Hotels.com website in your browser. Once you're there, sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you've booked trips under more than one email in the past, since your rewards activity will only appear under the account connected to those bookings. After you're signed in, go to your account area. Depending on the device you're using, this may appear as a profile icon, an account icon, or a menu option in the app or on the website. Tap or click that section to open your account settings and account-related options. From there, look for the rewards section. On Hotels.com, this may be labeled as OneKey Rewards or Rewards Activity. The wording can vary a little depending on your region or whether you're using the mobile app or desktop site, but it should be the section that relates to your rewards balance and history. Select that option to continue. Once you're inside the rewards area, you'll be able to view your rewards activity. This page typically shows the OneKeyCash you've earned, the OneKeyCash you've redeemed, and any pending rewards from recent eligible bookings. You should also be able to see your rewards transaction history, which is helpful if you want to confirm whether a stay has already been credited. If your account includes membership tier tracking, you may also see your current OneKey tier and your progress toward the next level. If you want more specific information, open an individual rewards activity entry. Tapping or clicking on a transaction will usually show additional details, such as the booking date, the amount of OneKeyCash earned or used, the current booking status, and any reward processing information tied to that transaction. This is especially useful if you're waiting for rewards from a recent trip to appear, or if you want to double check how a past booking affected your balance. If something seems delayed, it can help to review the booking status first, since some rewards only appear after eligible travel is completed and processed, and that's how to view rewards activity on Hotels.com.